Well, I fell in love with jewelry with making jewelry in 1988 and basically started the company out of the garage in my backyard. We are nationally recognized for our expertise in mokume gane. Mokume gane means wood eye or wood grain metal. It was a technique developed in Japan about 300 years ago, and it derived from the making of Damascus steel that was used for the samurai swords. We integrate our hand fabricating techniques of using mokume with our ability to do 3D models and print waxes that have the channels for the mokume. And so we're able to use very complex techniques with not only our models, but with our metalsmithing, and melding those two together creates some pretty fantastic mokume engagement rings. Back in 2004, when we first purchased our Solidscape, it absolutely changed our business. Because of our detailed, organic, complex designs, it really created waxes for us that were absolutely beautiful, that cast well, and our business increased by 60% that year. When we changed over to the T76, my modeler could not believe how much easier it was. The quality of the print is impeccable, the ease of use is great, and the improvement from one machine to the other is pretty vast. We're running extremely precise waxes, and we do different symbols, and we do a lot of very organic 3D designs, parts that need to fit together with extreme precision. I am just always excited about what we can create in a 3D form and print out. We don't create molds. Every time we make something, it's a little bit different. It's one of a kind. So molds don't really work for us. So every time we print a wax rather than shooting a wax, and that's just so important for a custom jeweler, because every time the wax is perfect, it's just right for the ring that needs to be made or for the custom piece that needs to be made. And so the jeweler doesn't have to interpret and spend valuable time remaking a casting or remaking a wax. They get something that works very well for them right from the beginning, and so they never have to question the model that they have. Right now we're on the threshold of creating a new line, and absolutely couldn't do it without the Solidscape. They've always been there when we call. The phone's always picked up. They're extremely patient whenever we're having technical difficulties. And I would have to say that my modeling department is extremely knowledgeable as well. So whenever holes in their knowledge appear, Solidscape has always been able to step in and guide them through what needs to be done. Without Solidscape, we would not be where we are today. I just feel like they've been an integral part of my business and the success of it.